Hello violinists, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm Fernanda Vidal and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Merry-Go-Round of Life from Howl's Moving Castle, which is a pretty good movie from Ghibli Studios. So, let's begin. Let's begin doing a little review of all the musical figures that we are gonna find. And let's begin with the dotted half note, which is equal to 3 beats. Then we're gonna find the half note, which is equal to 2 beats. Then we're gonna find the quarter note, which is equal to 1 beat. Then we're gonna find the 8th note, which is equal to half beat. And then we're gonna find the dotted quarter note with an 8th note. Finally, we're gonna find 2 16th notes with an 8th note. So let's begin, violinists, with the first part. Let's start with pizzicato, and I'm gonna play the metronome at 60. Okay, first of all, we got 22 measures of silence, and then we're gonna find a little ornament on the A string, so let's play it. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna find a repeat sign, okay? Alright, let's continue with the second part. So I'm gonna play the metronome and let's begin with it. First of all, we got 2 quarter rests. So 1, 2. 2, 3. 1, 2. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2. 2, 2, 2, 3. Okay, and then we're gonna find 3 measures of silence. Okay, let's begin with the third part. One, 2, 3. Okay, and we are done. Thank you for watching this video, violinist. If you like it, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you soon. Bye bye.